we're savoring Franciacorta Rosé. Here you go. You can't save it by yourself, you know what I'm saying? You don't know who's behind that camera. So beautiful. All right, so, holy moly, Pinot Noir, strawberries, a little bit of bread crust. There is a pungent hibiscus, elderflower, but also like this, almost like a smoky, like a charcoal. Rosemary, wild herbs, lots of dryness, lots of acidity. I need a San Pietro fish, like deep bottom fish with some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of rosemary on top and sage, and you got it, man. Cheers.